Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. It's June. I'm finally back. I'm done with my break. April's done. My May break is done. It should be June 1st around there, and I'm dropping my first video. Today it's going to be an unboxing. I bought a Bluetooth keyboard for my MacBook Pro. Now usually I just buy Apple products, but since I'm curating my YouTube page, which I finally got my URL, thank you again, I'll link it below. I usually buy Apple products. They're usually more expensive, but you know, they work, you know they're gonna work. But since I'm, like I said, creating videos, I wanted to buy something that was a little bit cheaper that I could unbox, review, and see if it's just as good as an Apple keyboard. Now it's probably not built just as well, but we'll see if it works, how it feels. And I have it today. I ordered it from Amazon yesterday, 1-day shipping, and it arrived. So it is a Jellycomb Slim Bluetooth keyboard for a Mac. It should have the Mac buttons. Without further ado, let's get to opening this box. Where is my... oh, here it is. Bang. Let's rip this open. I don't think I came even close, but get in here. Alright. Now we'll get to just ripping it apart. I love this stuff. For another day. Alright, so like I said, according to Amazon, it's a Jellycomb wireless Bluetooth keyboard. And it's pretty generic boxing. The branding isn't even on it. As you can see, just wireless Bluetooth. Fashion, simple, lightweight. You can see on the back, it has all of the Apple keys, so we'll get in here. You can tell right there, that is an Apple key, so I have the right keyboard. Let's see, system requirements. We got iPad, iPhones, all versions. It actually does work with Windows XP and Vista, obviously with iMacs, MacBooks, OS X 10.2.8 or above. It does work with smartphones and tablets again, it says, and this keyboard may not be compatible with the Mac Mini. I do not know why, but it says right there, this keyboard might not be compatible with the Mac Mini. So, okay, according to the box, it looks like it's made out of aluminum, but I would highly doubt it for like, what was it, $39? It is I think I bought the silver one, or the gray, but as you can see, they didn't check off which model it was. I guess they should, but let's open it and see what it looks like. And this isn't going to be a testing, like I said, just an unboxing. All right. Whoa! Always comes with a USB charger. Obviously, you have to charge it. No batteries in here. Ooh. Kit. Lots of paper. Who was that? Oh, it's an activation code, I think. Alright, so I did get the gray version, and it is not aluminum, but it's actually built pretty well. It's really solid. I should show you guys. Let me get it in there. Bang, no glare. The back. It's a pretty solid keyboard for not being aluminum and made out of plastic. It's not very creaky. It's not creaky at all, actually. The keys feel really, really smooth, actually. The keys might feel a little bit higher than a normal keyboard, if you could see. Maybe they're raised a little bit more, but they're fairly quiet. Feels good. It has a nice grip. You'll know where your fingers are on the keyboard. It has rubber on the back right here, so it will obviously stick to your desk and not shift around. Wireless Bluetooth, of course. And yeah, it has all of the buttons that an Apple keyboard would have, all the hotkeys on top. Like I said, it has the Apple key there, so you know it's an Apple keyboard. I didn't see that they sold a mini version without the number key. but it's not that big anyway, because the keyboard I use for work is similar. The one I use for work is on top. Pretty much the same size. It looks really, really similar, and I don't have a problem using it. I think it's the perfect size. Put that back. It's really compact. All of the space is taken up pretty much. You can see there's no like wasted space, wasted bezel space. It has the charging light, the caps lock light, and the Bluetooth light right there on top. That's all there. I don't know. It's a keyboard. There's really nothing special about it. A keyboard is a keyboard, but like I said, it's not aluminum. It's plastic, but it feels like it's pretty hard plastic. It feels like it's put together well, so now all I need to do is try it out. So I'll be using this keyboard exclusively with my MacBook Pro probably for the next couple of weeks when I use it with my my LG display monitor, and we'll see how it works. I'm sure there'll be no problems. Temporarily I was using my Windows keyboard with it. That worked fine, so I would feel a dedicated Mac, Apple, Mac, whatever you want to call it, keyboard would work fine. Alright, that's all I have here for my unboxing, so please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You guys have been doing a great job. I'm over 100 subscribers. My YouTube URL is now youtube.com/Steve Santiani. It'll take you right to my page now. I finally got it. Hope you guys are good, doing well. I'm going to try to pump out maybe 1 or 2 videos a week for you. I'm still kind of burnt out from April, but I think I could do 1 or 2. We'll see what happens. I do have my next idea for my second video, because I think I'm posting this one first. It's going to be a tutorial on how to do something on your iPhone or your iPad. It should be really simple, but it is bleeping ridiculously stupid and convoluted to actually do it. I'll show you that. I'm not going to give it away, but we'll talk about it next time. All right? I hope you're all doing great. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.